Very good morning to all the people of this world. Here we come, as you can see, there are weed shops. Weed shops means cannabis. Cannabis means charas in Hindi, and there's cannabis. And you can see there are many massage shops, thigh massage, foot massage, oil massage, back and shoulder massage, cannabis shops. These are the cannabis shops. Uh, uh, One should come to the Thailand, to Phuket, to enjoy the beautiful scenery. All around we can see there are beautiful shops and beaches and hotels which provide too much facilities, very nice facilities. There are washing shops which can help you clean up your clothes, and as you can see, there are tourist places, many tourist places to visit for the children and for the adult. Different type of ages can enjoy this beautiful place. This is Phuket in the Thailand. Today I want very important message to be discussed with you all. I want to give one message to all the leaders of this world. Leaders of this world, for their benefit, should not put ourselves in our people into the war situation. Like my message is for Mr. Netanyahu, who is the Prime Minister of Israel. I request him to stop the killing and try other different methods by which we can achieve peace in this world. I know it it is a very difficult step because the other side might not understand the meaning of peace, because the religion has given us some bad effects also. But I request with my full folded hands, I request to spare the people of spare the general people of Gaza. I will tell you how I assess that there is no fault of the general people. In India, as you know, that we, the people of India, we have no hearts to express our bad feelings for Pakistan, or we have no heart to spread hatred for Pakistan. But our big political parties, like the party of our beloved Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji, want to attain power, and for that power, because there was no work done in India, there was an attack, an artificial attack created, an artificial terrorist attack created, and that artificial terrorist attack killed some people in India. And with those people, a message for the hatred and a message for the hate in religiously was spread all across the Indian people, and with that message, a war-like situation was created, which was very much saved by Mr. Narendra Modi himself. He was the person who took situation into his hand, talked to the U.S. Mr. Trump, U.S. President Mr. Trump, asked him to get the things to cease fire, and he only saved us from that war situation. But taking this as an example that all war situations are politically mapped and politically activated, I request Mr. Netu Ram to stop all killing and proceed with something very which can help us. They can just with the folded hands go in front of the supreme leader of Iran and ask him to stop all the war and terror which he is creating, and all spreading all the religious irregularities in this world by supporting all the terrorist organization and religious organization. So I request all the big leaders and all the people of the world to help Netu Ram, help him to attain peace. Thank you.